Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amethyst and stainless steel earrings. So the first thing that we want to do is attach our amethyst to our stainless steel component, and we're going to do that using a 4mm stainless steel jump ring. So what I'm going to do is this is already open, so I'm just going to open it a little bit wider. I'm going to put my pair of pliers on either side and just gently twist that open, and then I'm going to put on my amethyst. I'm going to put on the component, and then I'm going to put my pliers back on the other side, and I'm just going to gently twist that back into place. Then I'm going to take my ear wire, and I'm just going to twist that open. Going to add on the component. Close that back up. And that's all you need to make these super simple earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.